Okay, getting ready to go for a test drive in a 1968 Mustang convertible. This one here's got the 289 under the hood. We're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws we can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos almost every day, and we get new rides. Every Monday we'll update the website with all the new inventory. Okay guys, hit that subscribe button. Check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping information. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna look around the interior. Go ahead and get her started up. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think that horn works? Little game we like to play on the channel. I'll show you the mileage, but it's hard to prove anything. Windshield wipers do work on this one. We got a tip gauge and an oil pressure gauge, and it's reading good, the oil pressure and the temp. See if the radio works here. I don't believe it does. Very old school on that. Tach's working here on the dash. And let's look around the interior. Got my bag back there, convertible top. Let's go ahead and try this horn. You ready? It works. Go ahead and hit the fan over here and see if we get some heat. I hear it blowing. It is blowing up under here. Okay, let's take off. Okay, anything that I see, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Cool little shifter, but the problem is the reverse is not all the way back. It's showing its back. Reverse is all the way up, like forward there. And we're gonna roll through this parking lot here. We're getting ready to pull out onto the main road. Clutch does let out kind of near the top there. Car seems to be going pretty straight down the road. It's got a slight pull to the right. Very, very slight. The steering's nice and tight. The speedometer's working. It's coming up. Let's go ahead and hit these brakes. Brakes feel great. Stopping fast. This would be a good highway cruiser car. It's got long gears. Definitely got to stop and get gas. Actually, we don't have to stop and get gas. I put some in it when we first got this car, and I realized that the gas gauge does not work. The gas gauge is on E. Just remembered that. Going into all the gears nice and smooth. Like I said, it's got some tall gears. You could ride into first all the way up to 30, 35. So pulling in the parking lot here, it doesn't have power steering, but all you got to do is get rolling. It does just fine. Go ahead and check below in the description. You can see all of my equipment that I use to make these videos. And we're going to be doing some outside shots here, and I'm also going to get a detailed walk around video while I'm here. Let's do this, guys. Okay, about to head back to the lot. Temperature is at 170, oil pressure is at 40. Definitely check out the walk around video. I did it while I was over here, made sure everything was all right with the car. And we're gonna head on back now. I actually might go ahead and roll this window up. It's like 30 degrees, so I don't wanna actually ride around with the top down, but I'm going to make this video for you. Plus, Jeff is the one that takes the detailed pictures, and he wanted to take some new pictures of this one because the lighting was bad with his other ones. Yeah, I did notice on this clutch that it does let out towards the top, so. Pretty smooth going down the road. The turn signals are not popping up on the dash like they should. We actually need to check that. That's something I forgot to do in the walk around video, so I may just go ahead and do that as soon as we get back to the car lot. There's a speed bump up here in the middle of the road. I will point it out to you, give you an idea on suspension. Just check it out, it's right here. Pretty smooth. If I was to rate it 1 to 10, I'd give this one a 6 or a 7. The suspension is nice. Okay, right around the corner from Maple Motors. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely watch both of them and check out maplemotors.com. Thanks again, guys. All right, I said I'd do it, so we're gonna do it here. Check it out. There's a light switch there. I don't see the turn signals cutting on. I'm gonna say it needs a new turn signal switch. This one here, not quite doing anything on the dash, but tail lights, headlights are working. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. We're gonna update on Monday with new inventory. We have finance and shipping available, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And if you hit that subscribe button, you can see daily content coming right from here. on this channel. Also started a Hot Wheels channel for Pops. He does collect tons of Hot Wheels, so I want you to check that out. That's Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel right here on YouTube. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.